Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut songs or music from your edits on the InShot application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the InShot app on your device, and this will now take you into the home page from which you can create your new project or open up any of your old ones. Now, once you choose your desired project files, tap on the tick mark to import them, and they will now be added to your timeline. Now, if you wish to cut out audio from your videos, then simply tap on this video clip and swipe to the right from the editor menu, and you will now see the volume option. Tap on this and then tap on extract audio in order to separate the audio layer. And now you can simply use the split feature by seeking to the place where you want to cut this audio. Then tap on split in order to cut it into two different parts. Then you can simply tap on the delete option by selecting the part that you don't wish to keep. You can also do the same thing for music that you have imported from the library. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to cut music within your projects on the InShot application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.